Welcome back here at Rose Field for a matchup between the Western Wolves and Downtown Diamonds. The Diamonds' history against the Wolves has been horrific. They're 0-5 in their history. Last season they lost 5 straight games. I threw 5 straight no-hitters in those games. But today they got a new roster, 2 rookies coming out here. One which is signing with you after this, and what's on the line is the 2nd seed in the AL, which means home field advantage going in the wild card game. What do you got to say?
Yeah, so since he hasn't played any series so far, this is going to be his first one. Signing deadline is tonight at midnight, so I'm going to sign him right after this since Dylan Fisher is out today. So, yeah.
Yeah, and the Diamonds should have their guys back for the first round of the playoffs, but the altitude clinched the AL just before this, so let's get into the pregame intros.
It's the final series of the year of Big League Wiffle Ball's 2021 season, leading up to the Western Wiffle Ball Classic October 16th at Scottsdale Stadium. It's the Downtown Diamonds against the Western Wolves. The Diamonds, missing their star pitcher Dylan Fisher, have called up Ben Brownsey and Aiden Sabian. 1 ball, 2 strikes from Rose, and down goes Brownsey. That was quick. 3 straight strikes. And that's strike 3. Down go the Diamonds early in game 1. Ooh. Nice pitch, but inside. 1st and 2nd, 1 out. Diamonds going to Brownsey early. Brownsey versus Rose. Just misses. Strike 3. You're not sure what Tucker was looking at. Apparently wanted a tee rather than a ball right down the middle. Out number 2. Diamond's looking to keep it close. And he rips it to right center. That's an unplayable ball. That's a double. 2 more runs score. 2nd and 3rd, 2 outs. Seems to be allergic to swinging today. Just missed. That's a walk for Brownsey. Tough inside pitch from Rose. Down goes Sabian. 1-2. Rose throwing a lot of strikes here. And he does again. And that's it for the Diamonds in the top of the 2nd. We go to the bottom. The Wolves leading 3-0. 3rd consecutive walk for the Diamonds puts them in a hole. Could be the first run for the Wolves here in the bottom of the 2nd. Oh, and Rose drives one pitcher's hand. He beats it out. Brownsey makes the wrong play. Should have gone back to the mound. Rose beats it out at first. Fair. That looks fair. And he's out. Is that a double play? Commissioner Rose, Deputy Commissioner Rose. That sinker. It's a tough pitch by Rose. To show you how clutch that Sabian play was, if he wouldn't have pulled the double play, the game would have been over. Down to the last strike in game 1. And that's it. Gets in Sabian's head, gets him out. Down go the Diamonds, 6-0 in game 1 of this 3-game set. Game 2 between the Downtown Diamonds and the Western Wolves starts now. Rose hits it deep. Is it deep enough? It is! Home run on the first pitch of game 2 for Logan Rose. Lefty against lefty. Gets the better of the Pinnacle Peak student. And Tucker hits a bomb. Deputy Commissioner Carson Rose has deemed that a triple. Rose rips another one, unplayable. That's a triple, scores Tucker. For the fans out there, any ball hit that's unplayable into the wall is a triple. Into the dirt on the fly is a double. Charismatic on the mound as his personality is. Strikes out Tucker, the nasty slider. Beautiful pitch from Sabian, but Rose beats it out at first, scores Tucker. And that's 3. Oh, and he gets Rose with a nice curveball. Brownsy just discovered one of the nastiest pitches you'll ever see. Down go the Diamonds quickly in the bottom of the first. Tries to sneak a curveball on the outside, but down goes Rose again. And that's strike 3. Tucker swings through another slider from Sabian. Full count. Not much. And he goes down. Two, 1. Pops it up. Brownsy's got it. Yes, he does. And that is gone! If it would have been Jake Tucker, we would have said Jake Mother Tucker. Instead, it was Logan Holy Smokes Rose. Big shot from the big hitter as they get 2 in the top of the third and extend their lead to 5-0. Beautiful pitch. Changed up the look. Gets him upstairs. Down go the Wolves. Brownsy to start it off. And gets put first ball in play. He's safe at first. Deputy Commissioner, no conflict of interest there. Brother of a player. Calls him out. Oh, and he hits it. Overtone. Tucker drops it. We have to call that a hit, though. That's a tough play. And that's it for the Diamonds. Good game, but the Wolves prevail 5-0 in Game 2 of this 3-game series. Welcome to this final game the series between the Downtown Diamonds and the Western Wolves. And that's a walk. The Diamonds have something going here, first and second. Still only 1 out. Rose goes inside, he goes outside, but down goes Brownsy, complaining about the call. Oh, and he ripped one to the opposite field. Rose, he's out. He's out. Nice hit by Sabian. Diamonds had something going. To our fans around the country, a reminder that if you hit the backstop at home before the runner gets there, he is out. Oh my! That is the farthest hit ball I think we've seen in big league wiffle ball this season. A monster shot to right center by Logan Rose. Gives the Wolves 2 runs in the bottom of the first. Pitching change for the Diamonds. Jake, you know it, Tucker, but it's It's a triple. Not quite. Warning track power from Tucker. Good rip by Rose. Unplayable triple, but that's another run for the Wolves. Still only one down. Oh, and Rose hits another one out to right. That's a fair ball. And that's a 3-run homer, and that's 7 runs for the Wolves as they run rule them in the bottom of the first. Big day for Logan Rose. Down goes Sabian. Get out of the inning does Rose. And we go to the bottom of the second with the Wolves leading 7-0. Beats it out to first. Good play by the Diamonds. Oh, and he jams him with a great pitch inside. Tucker rips one to left. Brownsy with great hustle. Played the Green Monster well. And does Rose make history? He does! Another home run from Logan Rose. A 3-run shot. The Wolves take a 10-0 lead. Two outs. Down goes Tucker. That's the ball game. The Wolves win 10-0. There's no chance for the Diamonds to catch him. Game efforts by Sabian and Brownsy, but the Wolves sweep to finish the season 8-7 as the Diamonds fall to 5-10. Thank you for a great regular season, Big League Wiffle Ball. We'll see you in the playoffs soon.